Good morning. I would like to share with you how to create a project in Lovable. And this is called vibe coding. First of all, I'm going to get some music going on here because we're going to have a nice background ambience. So let me get that music on for us. And we want to remind you that when we come on live on TikTok, remember to give those roses.
In a world where the screens light up the night, we gather together chasing dreams so bright, scrolling down the feed, finding joy that flows, every heart that beats.
We have that going on in the background.
TikTok's a garden where friendships bloom.
We're looking at Lovable,
and smiles, we light up the room.
And we're going to create a website today. We're going to vibe code. Okay, this is vibe coding. Vibe coding allows you to create an app. Okay, so we're going to do a beautiful website for a cake company. So I'm going to say create a beautiful website for a wedding venue.
On TikTok, every moment can be light as a feather. When life feels heavy and the days are long, TikTok's there to encourage, to help us feel strong. Presenters bring the magic with stories they share, inspired to be better, showing how we care. So with every smile and every laugh we find, sharing all those roses we can free.
So just to get you to understand, when you're creating an app, there's the front end and then there's the back end. We're just going to work on the front end right now, okay? We want our color scheme to be pink, white, black, and gold. They always want to let them know the color scheme. Okay. And let's see what Lovable will create for us.
We're all in this together. On TikTok, every moment can be light.
Here to the right here is telling us it's getting things ready, and here describe features, get full app, and this is just some information for you to learn how to use the app. So they're giving you some things to look at here.
Spread the love like it's gold.
All right, you're gonna be able to have all this good stuff. This is something new right here that Lovable has put in. Just showing you giving you an example of some things you can do, some features. So here they're talking about, this is the code page. Okay, this is where the code comes in. Okay, let's look over here and see if we're ready. Okay, so over here to the, let me just turn this down. Over here to the left hand side, we see the rose gold confections. So the app has given us a name for our company. Okay, now I could have wrote inside the prompt the name of the company. This one has actually given us a name. Okay, so if you were beginning your business and you didn't have a name for your company, or your client doesn't have a name for their company and they're not sure what they want to call it, you actually could recommend this Rose Gold Confections, right? So right here I said create a beautiful website for a wedding venue for cakes. The website will be the front end color scheme to be pink, white, black, and gold. Okay, and so the system says is talking to you. It's just like having a regular conversation, right? It says, I'll create a stunning wedding cake venue website with your pink, white, black, and gold color scheme. This will be elegant and luxurious, perfect for showcasing premium wedding cakes. And right here it says design inspiration. So it's telling you everything that it's doing, right? It says high-end, posterior aesthetics, and it tells you think Lovable meets modern luxury, soft romantic elements with sophisticated edge gold accents for premium feel. Isn't that beautiful? It's telling you all these things it's going to do for you. Here's the features for a version 1, V1, a hero section with stunning cake imagery. It talks about the venue. These are all the sections that are going to be on the website. So look at that. It pops up. Here we got our website. Isn't that just so beautiful? Create unforgettable moments. Transform your special day with our exquisite handcrafted wedding cakes. Isn't this beautiful? So beautiful. And then we got the different menus here on top. We have a book now, and we have elegance cakes, and this can be changed, right? Oh, elegance cakes. Sorry guys, I misread that. Okay, so this is all the things that he did for us, right? What's next? Refining, customization, adjust text. And so now this is what's next, what you would do next. Now you have to go look through this website and see what needs to be changed. Maybe your cakes don't look like this, right? You have a picture of your cake. So this is your opportunity down here on this plus sign to include the cakes that the customer has actually created and can be put into here. Look at 15 plus years experience, book consultation, view gallery. We have a view gallery, you can click on it. And these are the different cakes that you would put in. You would change these. These are just mock. These are mock, okay? These are mock-ups. Okay, so these are just default pictures that were put in. This whole thing is an example of what you can create for your customer, okay, or have someone create for you. And then we have these package deals here. The system actually puts in these recommendations. Of course, we can always change these, right? Okay, so for example, I can write down here, I can say the classic package. I can say change the classic package to start at change 450 to 400, and it's going to change it for you. See, watch this. It's going to look like magic. Okay, so I'm going to change that to 400. And right here it's talking to you. It says, I'll update the classic package price. And there it goes. It's changed. See that? So anything in here you can change just like that. It's just that simple. Okay? And then it says, let's create your dream cake. And all these are defaults. Okay? So all this would have to be changed. Okay? Send inquiry. All of this has to be changed. About us. Click. And then goes to About Us page. Okay? Crafted with love. Each cake is crafted with love. So this is an example of vibe coding. Isn't that beautiful? So easy. But there's more to it. Every single button on here has to be checked to make sure it works properly. This right here, Elegance Cakes, would be the name of the company. Okay, so you would change this Elegance Cakes to the actual name of the company. You got your home page, your about page. Okay, it scrolls down. The gallery, the price package. Now when I clicked on gallery, see how this the packages and pricing is showing up? I don't really want that showing up there. So when I can say to Lovable, when scrolling to the gallery, price, packages and pricing is showing. Fix so that we only see the gallery. Okay, so we're going to have Lovable fixed that for us, because when we're looking at our masterpieces, we don't want to also see the packages and pricing being shown on the page, right? So these are things that you would tweak. And he says and Lovable is saying, I'll fix the scroll behavior to ensure only the gallery section is prominently visible when navigating to it. Now you can also change the way that these menus show up. Maybe you don't like scrolling, right? You can say, when I click on a menu, I just want it to appear. So let's do that. I'll show you that. So let's click on gallery. It says it's fixed here. It said they fixed it. So let's see if they did. Let's go back to home, about, gallery. Okay, it's still showing. All right. It's still showing. And it's telling me it's 6, but it's not. Okay. And still, I can still see the packages, pack, and pricing line, and the quote, choose the perfect package for your special day. Please fix it. Okay, so when we're talking to Lovable, we want to be polite. Okay, this is what I've been taught. I don't know if this actually affects how the coder actually responds to you, but there we go. Now it's fixed. Did you see how that just disappeared under there? Now we can only see beautiful, beautiful. Using quotation marks helps a lot. So maybe putting that quotation in there helps. So let's go click here, home, about, gallery. See? Good. Services and contact page. Beautiful. So that's a scrolling. This is a scrolling website. This is a scrolling website for cakes. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that, watching how vibe coding works. We can create websites, and we can create just about anything that you can think of when it comes to vibe coding can be created. You can create websites, you can create a game, so on and so forth. So let's close out on this one, and let's do a game. In the next video, we will do a game. If you have any ideas you would like for me to try on this vibe coding platform to show you, just let me know. Give me some ideas, and we'll do this. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.